Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top for Best Magnet Drilling Machine Review 2025.
Number 4.
The 220V Multifunctional Magnetic Drill is a portable and versatile bench drill with a core drilling capability, featuring Stepless speed adjustment from 0-650 RPM. It ensures precision and adaptability for various tasks, making it ideal for professional and DIY applications.
Number 3.
Product parameters. Product name. Drilling machine. Product model. AX13-AX16. Rated voltage. 220V. Rated frequency. 50-60 Hz. Rated power. 1000 W 1350W. Idle speed. 700 RPM 600 RPM.
Number 2.
Top-level magnet. Get ready for unstoppable power. Our electric magnetic drill generates exceptionally powerful driving force with its 1450W copper motor. It is capable of drilling into the toughest material at 850 RPM. Max. Boring diameter coring drill. 40 millimeters. Max. Coring depth. 50 millimeters.
Number 1.
Mall Electric Magnetic Drill Floor Drill AX13 Ray Powerful Magnetic Drill Portable Industrial Grade Drilling Machine to 20V. Product parameter. Product code GJ00-12. Name. Punch. Model. AX13 Ray. Package weight. 12 kg. Voltage. 220V. Power. 880W.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.